Hello friends! In this video I'm going to be reviewing the Karin brush markers. These are the metallic markers and they're very similar to the other ones that I reviewed from Karin markers, but they are obviously the metallics. So these markers were sent to me by the company. This is not a sponsored video, but I just wanted to let you know that they did send these to me as a gift and I am so glad because they are so pretty. I love metallic brush pens and they are so fun to letter on. I'll show you the swatches in this video on both black paper and white paper so you can see the differences. But they are just really fun to letter with. These are a very juicy brush pen. You will see a lot of ink flow come out and they do take a bit of time to dry. I noticed on the body of the pen that they do say store horizontally and they also say to shake before use. And I'm just showing you here just how juicy these are. You can see that there's like liquid ink on my paper. I believe I am using a marker paper for this review, but still these are going to give you a lot of pigment, especially if you do shake them before use. As you can see, these really pop on the black. I do think they're pretty on both black or white paper, but with metallic markers, they just tend to pop really beautifully when you're using a black piece of paper. So as you can see, they are not water resistant. I did show you some blending techniques with these. I tend to like this one where it's a different color for each letter because you can kind of blend in the color to each other. And you can see just how bright these are in the close-up. If you are somebody who likes to do blending, you could probably do a lot of different things with these. I did try this other way of blending, but honestly, because the colors are coming out so strong, I think that it just kind of makes the second color disappear, but it's definitely still there and it's definitely still subtle. I've not had any issues with this brush pen fraying, and I've actually used these quite a lot. If you follow me over on Instagram, which is at howtohandletter, you have probably seen these many times because I've been using them and I've been showing them, and I've also already filmed a side-by-side comparison between several different metallic markers, so you can watch out for that video after my pen a day challenge is over. I will get that posted. But for how much I've used these, I am definitely very happy with how well they've held up. I will continue to use them and I will keep you updated. I did also review the big box of the Karin Brushmarker Pro, and in that one I did mention a resource page on my website. I will keep that page updated for you with different Karin markers tutorials, and you will find all the helpful resources that I have for these markers on that part of my website. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.